Hello children, I am here with the online virtual class video for subject English class LKG. The topic I am going to cover in this video is new word, sing, introduction of letter E, tricky word was, rhyme, Tommy Trot. New word, sing, sing, Ghana. Let's sing and dance. I like to sing with my friends. These sentences can be framed with the letter word, with the word sing. Now let us learn the letter E. Capital E, small e. As E is a vowel, E has two sounds. One short sound and one long sound. The short sound of E, A. Long sound of E, E. E, A. Elephant. E, A. Eskimo. E, A. Egg. E, A. Elf. 8. Engine, eraser. Now let us do coloring in the block of letter E. First trace it, standing, sleeping, sleeping. One more sleeping line, that is capital E. And for small e, a sleeping line, go up and make a curve, E. Now let's make the border and color the block of letter E. While coloring, recall the words we have learned. E, A, elephant. E, A, Eskimo. E, A, egg. E, A, eraser. Similarly, you will do coloring in small e. Make the border and start coloring, recalling the words related to letter E. This way you will finish the coloring in the spiral book, page number 13. Now let us learn to write capital E in English workbook, page number 10. Capital E. For capital E, make standing line, start from the red line, touch the blue line, then make sleeping line, a short sleeping line on the red line, another sleeping line on the blue line, and third sleeping line on the last blue line. One more time, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, and one more sleeping line. This way you will write capital E in the English workbook. Now let's write small e. For small e, as the formation shown here, you have to do like that. Sleeping line, go up and make a curve. Again, sleeping line, go up and curve joining the sleeping line. E. Here the formation is little bit different, but then also we will make sleeping line, then we'll go up and make the curve. E, small e. One more time, sleeping line, go up and curve touching the blue line. Sleeping line, go up and make a curve touching the blue line. E. Again, E. This way you will finish the small e in English workbook, page number 11. Now let's write capital and small e in E1 notebook. Standing line, sleeping line, three sleeping line. E, capital E. E, a, egg. E, a, Eskimo. E, a, elf. This is capital E, and for small e, the notebook I have given the dot like this. So you can make sleeping line, go up and curve touching the blue line. Again, sleeping line, go up and curve touching the blue line. Small e, capital E and small e in E1 notebook. From the picture dictionary book, page number 11, you can do revision of the words. Capital E, small e, a, act, a, engine, a, enter, a, elf, a, exit. These are more words. Flower name with letter E, English bluebell. Vegetable name, elephant foot yam. Fruit name, elderberry. Object, envelope. Animal, elephant. City name, Ernakulam. The city is in Kerala. And country name, Ethiopia. So these are some more words. Now the tricky word, was. Sentences we can make with the word was. I was happy. He was at school. She was not in school. Was, W-A-S, was. Now let's do the rhyme. Tommy Trot, man of law. Tommy Trot, a man of law, sold his bed and lay on straw. Sold the straw and slept on grass to buy his wife a looking glass. That's all with the video. Thank you.